What's up, everybody? Lizard King here. Hey, how are you? We're in Estonia. We're visiting. It's fantastic. Simple sessions. Great contest. We've got a lot of fabulous skateboarders over here. We're going to do a little check the course out with you. So this is a quarter pipe. This is the rail. It's kinked. Fantastic. We've also got a pole jam up here to a wall ride. Quality people. We've got a fantastic quarter pipe set up over here. That's my good friend Tom. Quality, classy guy. We've got Hubbas, sponsored by Red Bull. They're slipping, they're sliding, fantastic. Flat ground, massive handrails for BMXing and skating. Quality goods. Gap to manual pad or grind box. I don't know what you want to do. Then we're gonna go over here. We've got this interesting bank to bar. Some people skate over it, some people skate it. Fantastic. And it also has a wall ride right here. So welcome to Simple Sessions. I hope you enjoy it. Check it out. It's gonna be a fantastic time. Love ya. Mucho passion. Peace out.